Deconstructed log decor is a captivating design concept that redefines the way we see natural wood in modern interiors. Instead of concealing imperfections, it embraces the raw, organic beauty of logs in their most authentic form, cracked, uneven, and richly textured. This approach transforms what might once have been considered rustic or unfinished into a statement of elegance and artistry. By showcasing the unique grains, knots, and natural contours of each wood piece, deconstructed log decor brings warmth, texture, and depth to contemporary living spaces. It's a design philosophy that celebrates imperfection as perfection, where every split and curve tells a story of nature's timeless craftsmanship. Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, the home of timeless design inspiration, where nature meets creativity and rustic charm blends beautifully with modern living. In today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most fascinating and fast-growing design trends, deconstructed log decor. It's raw, it's refined, and it's the perfect harmony of modern elegance and organic authenticity. If you've ever looked at an old log and thought it was just a leftover piece of wood, think again. Deconstructed log decor takes those forgotten natural forms, with all their cracks, grains, and rugged textures, and transforms them into masterpieces that elevate the look and feel of any home. It's all about celebrating the imperfections that make nature beautiful, turning them into art that feels both grounded and graceful. At its core, deconstructed log decor is about revealing the soul of wood, not hiding it behind polish or paint. Each uneven surface, each grain line, and each natural curve tells a story of time and growth. Instead of forcing wood into uniform shapes, this design approach honors its natural form and allows it to shine in its raw state. In modern homes filled with sleek finishes and clean lines, rustic wood brings balance, warmth to minimal spaces, texture to flat walls, and a sense of life to sterile surroundings. It reminds us that true elegance doesn't always come from perfection. Sometimes it's found in the rugged edges and earthy tones that nature creates. In modern homes, deconstructed log elements fit seamlessly into living rooms, bedrooms, and even outdoor areas. A sculpted log coffee table, a wall art installation made from cross-sections, or a solid wood stump repurposed as a stool can instantly anchor a space with earthy sophistication. When paired with minimalist furniture, neutral color palettes, and soft lighting, the natural wood becomes a focal point that radiates calm and organic beauty. Beyond aesthetics, this style is also eco-friendly, often using reclaimed or salvaged wood, giving new life to materials that might otherwise go to waste. Deconstructed log decor beautifully bridges the gap between rustic charm and modern refinement. It reminds us that nature, in its untouched form, can coexist effortlessly with clean architectural lines and contemporary designs. Whether through furniture, lighting, or subtle accents, incorporating deconstructed wood pieces creates interiors that feel grounded, luxurious, and emotionally connected to the natural world. In every form, this decor style embodies a balance of simplicity, sustainability, and timeless artistry, making it a perfect choice for those who seek both elegance and authenticity in their homes. Beyond beauty, deconstructed log decor is meaningful because it's sustainable. Most pieces use reclaimed or fallen wood, giving new life to materials that might otherwise go to waste. Each log carries a history, the marks of time, the signs of growth, and the gentle imprint of weathering. Incorporating them into your home means embracing design with purpose, one that values renewal, creativity, and respect for nature. If you're enjoying these ideas and love bringing natural design into modern interiors, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor, where we share daily videos that blend rustic charm with elegant style. Now, let's move on to the dining area, where connection and creativity come together. The dining room is the perfect place for deconstructed log decor to shine. A large wood slab or log section with sleek modern legs, perhaps in glass or metal, becomes a striking dining table that feels both grounded and luxurious. 4 centerpieces, carved log candle holders or vases made from reclaimed wood bring an earthy rhythm to the table. When the candlelight flickers over the textured grain, it creates a cozy and elegant atmosphere. Floating log shelves on the wall can hold ceramics, plants, or tableware, adding organic warmth without overpowering the space. In smaller areas like bathrooms or entryways, deconstructed log design adds powerful visual impact. A log countertop or vanity base in the bathroom creates a spa-like environment when paired with stone basins and matte black fixtures. In the entryway, a simple log bench or console table welcomes guests with rustic sophistication. Add a mirror framed in raw wood, and you instantly set an inviting tone for your home. Lighting plays a huge role in highlighting natural beauty. Wood lump pendant lights, hollowed or carved logs with soft internal lighting, create a soothing glow and cast enchanting shadows across your walls. Log-based floor lamps are equally artistic, doubling as sculptural pieces that radiate natural character. Even small accents like trays, coasters, or planters made from wood lumps can tie a space together with organic continuity. If these ideas are sparking inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily videos on creative, nature-inspired design. And that's the beauty of deconstructed log decor. Modern rustic wood lump design ideas for elegant homes. From coffee tables and benches to wall art and lighting, every piece made from natural wood tells its own story, one of resilience, beauty, and harmony. If you love natural materials, sustainable design, and the quiet luxury of handcrafted pieces, this style is made for you. It transforms homes into sanctuaries that feel grounded yet elegant, rustic yet refined. We hope today's video inspires you to see wood not just as a material, but as an art form, something that carries the essence of the forest into your living space. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends who love rustic design. Comment below and tell us which deconstructed log idea you'd love to try in your home. We upload new videos every day, each one crafted to bring you closer to the art of sustainable living and the timeless beauty of natural design. Until next time, keep creating, keep decorating, and always stay inspired by nature. Thanks for watching Kuki Decor. And that wraps up today's video on deconstructed log decor, a true celebration of nature's raw elegance and modern craftsmanship. From sculptural log tables and rustic wall art to organic lighting and handmade wooden accents, every design idea we shared today reminds us that beauty doesn't come from perfection, it comes from authenticity. If you enjoyed this video and love seeing creative ways to bring natural warmth into your home, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor. We upload new videos every day filled with inspiring rustic and modern design ideas to help you make your home feel truly alive. Hit that like button, share this video with friends who appreciate natural style, and let us know in the comments which deconstructed log idea was your favorite. We love hearing your thoughts and creative visions. Thank you so much for watching Kuki Decor, where every design tells a story of nature, creativity, and timeless beauty. Until next time, keep creating, keep decorating, and always stay inspired by the art of nature.